Cloud over. The sky gets covered with clouds. The sky clouded over after lunch. We were at the beach when it suddenly clouded over. Blow over. The storm becomes less strong until it ends. The storm blew over by morning. We stayed inside until the storm blew over. Blot out. Something like clouds or smoke covers the sun, making it invisible. The sun was blotted out by dark clouds. Smoke from the fire blotted out the sun. Fog up. Glasses or windows become covered with water droplets. My glasses fogged up when I went outside. The car windows fogged up in the cold. Pelt down. Rain falls very heavily. The rain pelted down all day. It started pelting down as we left the house. Brighten up. The sky becomes lighter and the sun starts shining. It'll brighten up later this afternoon. Look, the sky is starting to brighten up. Clear up. The clouds or rain disappear. Let's wait inside until it clears up. It's cloudy now, but it'll clear up soon. Cool down. It becomes cooler. It usually cools down in the evening. The temperature will cool down in the morning. Warm up. It becomes warmer. The weather warms up every spring. I hope it warms up this weekend. Be snowed in. To be unable to leave because of too much snow. We were snowed in for 2 days. I couldn't leave the house because I was snowed in. Be rained off. If an event is rained off, it can't start or continue because it is raining. Our picnic was rained off. The concert was rained off last night. Roll in. Clouds or fog appear in large amounts. The fog rolled in during the night. Dark clouds rolled in quickly before the storm. Freeze up. Something becomes blocked by ice and stops working. Our car froze up overnight. Be careful, the roads are freezing up. Let up. If bad weather lets up, it stops or gets better. We waited for the storm to let up. The rain didn't let up all day. Flood out. Be forced to leave a home or place because of a flood. We were flooded out of our house last year. The heavy rain flooded us out of our campsite. Beat down. To shine very strongly. The sun was beating down all afternoon. The sun beat down on us at the beach. Beat down. Rain falls in large amounts with force. The rain was beating down hard last night. The rain beat down on the roof all night. Pick up. The wind becomes stronger. The wind picked up during the night. Be careful, the wind is picking up outside. Pour down. To rain very heavily or continuously. It's pouring down right now. We ran inside because it was pouring down. Hold off. Not start, although you expected to. Luckily, the rain held off until we got home. The snow held off until late afternoon. Break through. The sun starts to come out from behind the clouds. It's cloudy now, but the sun might break through soon. The sun finally broke through the clouds.